So let's take a look at one of the cooler features, I think, of the Scoutly app. It's the same with Scout IQ as well. It's called the summary. So this shows you a breakdown of all the books you've scanned, both in the most recent time and in the entire history of you having the app. So the bottom numbers are the entire history, and the top numbers are going to be your most up to date. You can go ahead and reset this. It's basically like a trip summary is what it's called, but it's like resetting your miles on your car. So one thing I will say, and I will need to disclaim, is that these numbers are kind of like ballpark numbers. You don't want to put 100% accuracy on these, but you can if you do it correctly. So let's say I scanned the same book 3 times and it's a $10 profit book. Well, it's going to say there's 3 items, 3 buy items, and it's $30 profit. Well, it doesn't show that it's the same book that I scanned 3 times. It just shows that there's 3 books that scanned as a buy. So if you're very meticulous and you scan different books each time, yes, in the trip counter, it will show that information. But if you rescan books, say you want to double check a book, or you just want to see it again, that profit will be added to your trip, and it will also be added to your total profit at the bottom. I wish I would have already made $76,000 off this app, but I can tell you right now that number is not true. I would say this accuracy is, I couldn't even put a number on it, maybe like 70%. I have scanned a lot of items, probably like at least 30,000, if not more, but the profit, I just don't see that as being a real situation. Another thing that can happen is, say someone's on a listing and they're listing their book for $500 and it has like a 20 million rank. Obviously that book isn't selling, and you just basically added an imaginary huge profit to your numbers that the book is not going to sell for that. So that's just something you need to keep in mind with this summary page.